Hello everyone. Today we will be solving the question, find the degree of each vertex. So, I would like to clarify what degree actually means. Uh, it has already been written here that a degree is a vertex that is the number of edges connected to it. Degree of a vertex is the number of edges connected to it. For example, here the degree of 1 is 2, a degree of 0 is 2, the degree of 2 is 2. So the output is just 2 comma 2 comma 2. So basically we need to find the degree for each vertex. That is what the question says. We have been given a 2D integer array, the input, and the I comma j. If I comma j is equals to 1, it means that there is a edge between I and j. If it's 0, there is no edge between I and j. So according to this question, what conclusion that we can conclude is that for an undirected graph, the degree of vertex is the number of ones present in a vertex row. What does one mean? That means, okay, the degree for this node exists, so we just need to count the ones of that 2D array. So uh, it's more of a basic maths portion, not a graph portion. So for every row we just need to count how many ones are present, and we are just gonna store that in our count array. So in simple words, I can explain it as, for each vertex I'm gonna traverse all the columns j, and what I'm gonna do is add the matrix I comma j to a counter and store the counter to answer of I. The counter will calculate the number of ones in our each index of the 2D array. Since the values are only 0 and 1, summing the rows directly gives the degree. For example, instead of counting the number of ones, what we can do is just add them, all the elements, because 0 adding 0 to anything, it's just gonna give the exact value, right? So we just need to count the number of ones. We just add it, we'll eventually get the number of ones. So let's write the code for it. And n is equals to matrix dot size, which will help to. So I'm just gonna make a for loop for int I is equals to 0, I is equals to n, I plus plus. Now I would like to make another loop that's gonna traverse to each index of a 2D array. For j is equals to 0, j is less than I, should it be, let's see if it, we are seeing that the number of the size of each index is equals to actually the size of the whole 2D matrix. Because it is a n cos n grid. Okay, that does make sense. We just need to traverse. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is, should I save an integer? Also we need to return an array, so let's make an array. First of all, vector integer answer, and I'm just gonna no, I think we should specify the size beforehand so that we can actually calculate it. Pushing won't work here. So I'll just do answer of I system matrix I comma j, and at the end I'm just gonna return my answer array. So let's run it. Okay, let's run it. I hope we don't get any errors. Hmm, what is the problem here? Okay, this is a address overflow. Okay, so I am making a mistake somewhere. Let me find it. So yeah, I actually found the mistake. Why am I writing equals to here? This was my biggest mistake. Yeah, that was the issue. Yeah, it worked. Now I'll just submit it. I hope it passes all the test. Yeah, it passed all the test cases. So yeah, thank you for watching this. Bye.